In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your DNS entries in Hostinger. If you're setting up a new website or transferring an existing one, understanding DNS entries is crucial. Don't worry if this sounds a bit technical. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at managing your DNS settings. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to begin by logging in to your Hostinger account. Navigate over to the Hostinger website and enter your credentials in the login section if you're not already logged in. Once inside your dashboard, you're going to locate the Domains option on the top navigation bar. This section is where you can manage everything related to your domains. Next, you need to select the domain you want to add the DNS entries to. Simply click on Manage next to the desired domain name. When you find yourself on the Domain Management page, look for the DNS Zone tab. This is where you'll be able to add, delete, or modify DNS entries to suit your needs. Now, let's focus on adding a new DNS record. Select the Add Record button. You'll be presented with options for different types of DNS records such as name, MX, or TXT. It's important to choose the record that best suits your needs. For example, if you're pointing your domain to another IP address, you'll likely need an A record. Enter your chosen record type in the provided field. You then need to add the corresponding values for the record type you've just selected. Enter the necessary host, value, and TTL. The host is typically either an @ symbol for the root domain or a subdomain name. The value will vary based on where you're pointing the domain to and could be an IP address, domain name, or other information. TTL, or time to live, is usually left as the default unless specific modifications are required. Don't forget to hit the Save button to confirm and apply your changes. It's important to note that DNS changes might not take effect immediately. Typically, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours for DNS propagation to fully complete. During this time, your new DNS settings will gradually disseminate across global servers. If you encounter any issues, remain patient as it might just be within the propagation period. And there you have it. You've just added your DNS entries in Hostinger. It's always a good idea to double-check your settings to ensure everything is accurately configured. Congratulations on taking control of your domain's DNS settings. For those looking to delve deeper, exploring Hostinger's knowledge base and support articles is a great way to expand your understanding. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting!